Why does a transistor's base often connect to ground through a pull-down resistor?
Welcome back to our channel. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our future educational content.
Let's break it down. When a high-level control signal is applied to the transistor's base, the transistor switches on and the indicator LED lights up. Simple and predictable. But the moment that control signal disappears, a problem appears. The base is left floating like an antenna waiting to pick up noise. Random interference can sneak in and trick the transistor into turning on when it shouldn't. That's where the pull-down resistor comes in. By tying the base to ground, the resistor drains away stray charges and forces the transistor into a clean, definite off state. No confusion, no false triggers. Now imagine the same circuit without a pull-down resistor. With a control signal, everything works fine. But when the signal stops, the base floats freely. Even tiny interference signals can partially turn the transistor on, making the LED glow faintly or flicker. Add the pull-down resistor back, and the difference is clear. With a real signal, the LED turns on. With no signal, even in the presence of interference, the transistor stays off. In short, a pull-down resistor keeps the transistor disciplined, quiet, and reliable.